we all have our different struggles as moms. And so
Totoo.
it's nice to share
Yeah.
because you know what, you might be making others feel like, ay, hindi ako nag-iisa.
Sa lahat ng ginagawa ninyo para sa pamilya ninyo, sa asawa, sa mga anak, sa bahay, sa pagtatrabaho, kasi working moms na din. Mano ba naman yung paminsan-minsan alagaan nyo yung sarili nyo? It takes a village to raise a child.
Hindi kaya ng nanay lang.
Yes.
Kaya wag mo ding piliting kayanin yun kasi hindi talaga siya posible.
Kami ang inyong mga... Ay, God, tingnan nyo naman mga itsura namin ngayon, mga moms.
Sure ba tayo na chikahan?
Ayun o.
This is the best way to make chika.
Absolutely.
Diba?
At in any case naman, kahit nasan tayo, wala din naman makakapigil din sa atin sa chikan. Kahit inaanto, kahit konti lang yung time.
Kahit nakapantulog
best tayo.
Kasi at least wala tayong ibang katabi. Kasi kung hindi, baka napalayas tayo.
Totoo.
Yes.
Kaya nagpapasalamat kami. We are here at the Shine Spa here at the Sheraton Hotel dito sa Newport World Resort.
Wow! I'm so
Tama ba?
proud of
Sana
you naman.
sana na-perfect ko, ah.
Parang na-perfect mo naman.
Diba?
Ate,
So ito yung
yes.
opportunity namin na magsama-sama na hindi pa naman yata tayo nakapag-spa together.
Never.
Hindi pa naman, di ba? So I guess sineselebrate din namin yung isa sa mga biggest roles namin sa buhay, which is motherhood.
Yes. And also, as per requested by you guys.
Yes.
So yes, this is the reason why we are going to talk about motherhood today.
Yan, totoo. And kung gaano din ka-importante na alagaan din ng mga nanay yung mga sarili
Sarili
nila.
natin.
Uy, teka, babatiin muna natin yung mga
Yes!
nagpadala
Yung mga
ng...
nag-request.
Sabi sa inyo, totoo namin pinapakinggan yung mga
And
comments
guys,
nyo.
we're so happy to see how you have been engaging with our
Yes.
show. Lalo
Sobrang
na
sweet.
kapag sa YouTube,
Yeah.
sa Spotify, we see everything. Lahat yan tinitignan namin. Di man kami nakaka-reply. And one of our goals is to actually do these topics na
Yeah.
sinasuggest
Yes.
ninyo. So for today, we're gonna be talking about
Motherhood.
Motherhood.
Kasi ito yung medyo marami sa inyo ang nag-comment na gusto nila sana marinig about motherhood. So ito,
Tulad nila.
talk about motherhood please from Yvonne May Tuginay. Hi, Yvonne May! Ito naman si Pinay Homemaker in Dubai. Umaabot talaga tayo sa ibang bansa, guys.
Oo
May
naman.
Canada,
International.
may US, meron.
Baka may Sheraton din doon.
Ay, na, minsan, usually meron. May Sheraton din.
Makaabot din tayo sa
Correct.
Dubai.
Ay, tapos so yung isa naman, I love the wisdom and sharings in this episode. The dynamic of the three is perfect. Thank you. Please do more topics on motherhood and the modern generation.
Ay, ganda.
Okay.
Oo, kasi nga naman iba yung pagpapalaki sa atin ngayon ng mga nanay natin sa atin.
At paano tayo nagpapalaki ng mga anak natin?
Exactly.
Yes, and we are coming from different generations.
Totoo
And
din,
I
totoo
like,
din.
alam mo naman, ang idol natin.
Wow!
We really look up to.
Our
And the relationship she has with their children.
guys.
Thank you, guys.
Diba? At saka, ito yung medyo delix lang sa usapan nating motherhood. I think aabot tayo ng mga part 10.
Baka, kasi una sa lahat, ang daming anak ni Iya. So kung gusto niyo malaman yung bawat kwento ng bawat panganganak niya, 5 yun.
Oo,
Kami,
pero kung
3,
gusto niyo,
ako 3.
puntahan nyo na din yung Instagram ni Mars. Kasi
Oo.
nandun yung mga birth stories nila.
But,
Totoo din, so
but
amazing.
really,
Pero
ang
ito
sarap,
din, ibang level.
Ang sarap
Ibang
talaga
level.
pag-usapan ng pagiging
Tama,
nanay.
tama.
And that's why we mothers need friends and have our little groups where we can talk about these things.
Yes.
Because
Na
we...
hindi ka ginajudge.
Yes.
Oo,
Kasi
oo.
wala namang perpektong nanay. May mga
Yes.
pagkakataon talaga na parang feeling mo lumalagapak ka, Mars, or sumasablay ka on a lot of things.
Yeah.
And you feel the guilt of that. And you
Yeah.
just need to share it with someone na alam mong maiintindihan ka.
Because they may also be going through the same thing. Because
Exactly.
all of us, we all have our different struggles as moms. And so
Totoo.
it's nice to share
Yeah.
because, you know what, you might be making others feel like, ay, hindi ako nag-iisa.
Yeah.
No, you
And
know,
at the same
it's
time-
our way of also inspiring others.
Totoo. And at the same time, to also be conscious na kasi sabi niya, motherhood and the new generation. Part na rin dyan, yung pressure mo kasi nakikita mo sa social media, parang sobrang galing naman ng iba.
Napaka-perfect nila.
Tapos ikaw, walang-wala ka. Gulo-gulo yung pagkain na hinanda mo. Yung iba naka-bento box. Yung parang,
Naka-meal prep, naka-ready lahat sa freezer.
Oo, okay ba ako na,
Totoo yun.
na nanay? Di ba parang minsan nagkakaroon ka tuloy ng self-doubt? Kasi nga
Tama.
parang it seems like other people have it so much better than you do. So parang it weighs down on you as well. And of course, basahin ko na lang tong isa.
Go,
Kasi ito
Mars.
kay Justine May Gonzalez, 3647. Ito naman, I hope you can have a topic about how you prepared for your
For
pregnancy,
pregnancy.
especially Miss Iya. I've been looking for videos, any interview, how you took good care of your health, etc., etc., yung delivery. Kasi yung kay Iya din, medyo kakaiba din yung pagbubuntis mo kasi ikaw yung una, I feel,
Yes.
na nakita nila na sobrang active na buntis.
Na
Yes.
nagbubuhat, nagda-dumbbell, nag-weightlift.
Yes. And I think it was a purpose that God gave me. Because I think it's not something that many people do, or if
No.
ever many women are scared to do.
That's
yes,
true.
And
yes,
so I think God put me in a position to inspire others to still move
yes.
throughout their pregnancies. Of course, it's going to be different for everybody.
Oo.
And I was also ready to accept that should I have a difficult pregnancy, should I go through, of course, I'm also very sensitive to the moms who have it much harder.
That's
Oo.
true.
You know, and so, that's the thing with pregnancy. You don't know if it's going to be easy. You don't know if it's going to be the same as the ones that you've had in the
That's true,
past.
Mars.
So every time I got pregnant, I was always scared
Oo,
that
oo.
who knows, baka this time it might be a different story. Who
Yes,
knows, maybe this
yes.
time there might be bleeding, there might be some complications. And ready din naman ako to make adjustments.
Oo.
That's right.
Should
That's
that
right.
happen.
Oo.
So yeah.
Every pregnancy is different. Ikaw, magkaiba din yung parang generations nung pagbubuntis
Oo,
mo.
ate.
Oo.
And parang, I feel like, kahit na pang ilang anak mo pa siya, it's always a different story. One of the things that I've learned is that, minsan kasi akala mo pag nag-research ka, kung anong nangyayari sa katawan mo, nakakabuti siya. But too much of that can also cause paranoia.
yes,
Or
anxiety.
parang overthinking. Bakit you compare your pregnancy to others? And I think yun lang yung
Oo.
danger nun. If you over-research, it's good there are a few books that will really prepare you. I believe there's this sobrang classic book na
I'm trying to remember
What to
the name.
expect
When you're
expecting.
expecting.
And then
And
there's
I had,
another
may
book.
physical book ka
Yes,
talaga niyan,
physical
diba?
book yun
Oo.
na malaki.
Oo,
And then
oo.
it'll tell you how you will feel or possibly feel on your first term, second term. Yun, helpful yun.
Yeah.
Pero,
Every week.
yes, pati
will
yung
tell
itsura
you.
ng
Oo,
bebe.
Kung gaano kaliit pala siya
Oo.
sa tiyan mo. Palaki
Kasi
na
ba
pala.
siya ng Lego, kasay siya ng lemon.
Yes.
Yes.
And then, so ngayon, kapag mas malaki yung tiyan mo dun sa actual size, ang problema, taba pala to. 'Di ba? Akala ko bebe na. Taba pala. So, alam mong ikaw yung, kasi nag-overeat ka when you're pregnant, you feel like you can
Eat for
indulge.
two.
Yes. Kasi, buntis ako, lahat ng cravings I wanna eat.
Oo.
But then, yun lang, parang there are certain books that you can read to educate yourself as you go through it, but don't overdo it to a
Yes.
point na you're obsessing about
Yan.
it. Magkaiba kasi yun. And then second, syempre, kagaya ng sinabi mo, Mars, bawat pregnancy iba.
Yeah.
Yung kaya mong gawin, maaaring hindi yun fit para sa akin.
Totoo.
Because as you share, you've been working out all your life before you got pregnant. So it's just right that you get to continue that.
Mm-mm.
For some kasi,
But Mars, meron din na kahit before getting pregnant, todo fit. And then all of a sudden, high-risk pregnancy with complications.
correct.
Biglang hindi pwedeng gumalaw.
That
bed
is so
rest.
frustrating.
So I can imagine, the frustrations of,
Yeah.
of those moms.
Yeah.
Mars, your journey is also very inspiring because you got fit after.
Oo.
Yun na nga. And after, nung na-realize ko na kaya ko pala siyang gawin, gusto ko ngayon mag-anak ulit. Joke lang.
Oy, hindi yan
May
joke.
mga anak ka, alam ko.
Talaga?
Alam
Hindi
ko,
yan joke,
gusto din niya
Mars.
talaga. Oo nga.
Siguro nung nagbubuntis kasi ako, hindi talaga ako fit. So, ang daming masakit sa katawan ko, ate. Lower back pains, may sciatic nerve ako na problema ko
Yes.
talaga.
Oo,
Kasi
yeah,
yun
yeah,
yung mga
matagal na nga
napipinch
yan.
kapag lumalaki ang tiyan mo. I was really very heavy. Kumbaga, ang pregnancy sa akin, talagang mahirap. So, nung naranasan ko na maging fit, parang naisip ko na, ano
Try
kaya
ko
yung
kaya?
pakiramdam ng magbuntis ng ganito kakahanda?
Fit pregnancy.
But of course, hanggang isip lang siya.
Oo, kasi
Well,
hindi, baka
oo.
hindi.
Not unless.
Hindi
naman si Lord yung may huling salita.
Marami-
But okay na ako. I'm 41 this year. I'm done.
Also, another consideration, because I remember a friend of mine, si Attorney Gabby, hi Mars! Si Attorney Gabby, she has 4 kids, and she also wanted to have another kid at 40.
Okay.
Pero sinabi din sa kanya nung doctor niya, meron ka din, syempre because you're older na rin, marami na rin ibang things that are happening in your body. Parang, if I remember correctly, sinabi sa kanya, it would be a high-risk pregnancy na rin. So, parang, but the thing is, syempre, now more and more people are waiting a little longer before they have their babies, di ba?
But also because a lot of women are also taking care of themselves more.
Right.
Oo.
Which is why they feel more confident to have babies a little later.
Maybe.
Kasi feeling nila na, okay, healthy naman ako, kaya ko to.
Oo. Pero it's parang, you'll never know where you are.
you never
Kasi
know.
pwede ka rin umabot doon sa point, nakakahintay mo, syempre, kakaipon mo, you want to establish yourself, you want to be better at your job, higher up in your job. abot ka sa point, baka, na binabayaran mo na yun para mabuntis ka.
Yes.
Samantalang yung iba, libre lang yan, di ba?
Yes.
Pero syempre, abot ka na sa point na hirap na kayo pareho magkaroon ng anak, nagbabayad na kayo para maano yung baby niyo. Pero syempre, ito na nga,
Iba-iba tayo
journey
ng,
tayo.
oo.
I'm just saying, I'm glad that we got started early.
Yeah.
Not even too early. I think I was 28 or 29
When you had Leona.
Leona. So it's not even that, or that wasn't even in my early 20s.
Pero nung panahon natin, ate,
Medyo late yan.
or
Late yan.
I think that's the right time. Kasi I remember yung mga tita, or yung nakalakihan ko, ate, the right age to marry is 25.
Oh.
Yun na yung expected ng mga parents na, uy, pakasal ka na niyan. And then late in your 20s, yun na yung mag-aanak ka. Early 30s. Tapos, di ba, 35, usually high risk na yan. So, dapat done ka na mag-baby. And syempre, as umuusad ang panahon, palate na ng palate ng palate, di ba? Pero ikaw, nandun ka pa sa season na yun
Sakto
sana
siya.
yung ideal before. So, how was your pregnancy, ate? Your pregnancy journey, starting from Leona? Kasi alam ko, taon-taon ba buntis siya?
Halos. Kasi ang edad ng mga anak ko ngayon ay 22, 21, at 20.
Oh.
Grabe.
Like literally,
So,
Leona's 22,
oo.
Jade's 21, and Nella's 20.
Oh my
every
gosh.
year. So sabi nga ng friend ko, si Tisha, silang, syempre, dati kasi morning sa Jamie siya, UA siya, sabi niya na, hindi ko na alam kung buntis ka ba o nagbe-breastfeed ka ba.
O
Hindi ko na
buntis ka
alam.
ba ulit?
O buntis ka ba
Oo.
ulit? Hindi ko na alam.
Oo.
It was so, obviously, hindi kami marunong mag-family planning. Obviously, hindi ako nagpipills. At some point, a friend of mine actually said na, pwede ka pumunta sa health center, magtanong ng family planning, ha? Kasi buntis ka ng buntis. So,
Siya na yung nagpanic para
siya na
sa'yo.
yung nagpanic. So, I was 26, Paolo was 30 when we got married. Tapos parang it had been 2 years, hindi na kami nagpipigil. Okay, ibig sabihin, okay naman na magbuntis kami.
Okay.
Ang taga, hindi kami nagpipigil.
Was it?
Na mag-anak.
Of course.
Na mag-anak.
And that's really the season of your marriage na talagang mag-anak talaga kayo.
Hindi
Was
kasi
it
yung
a
iba,
plan?
gusto nila mag-wait eh. Di ba? Yung iba gusto nila maghintay ng, 2 years muna married before we get...
Yes.
Parang hindi naman namin consciously ginawa yung plan na yun. Na
Yes.
maghintay tayo ng 2 years. So parang after...
As it comes.
Oo, yan. Whatever. After a couple of years, parang, bakit hindi ako nabubuntis? So parang, medyo nag-start...
Medyo
Oo,
hinahanap mo
okay,
na.
okay.
Nag-start kami mag-worry na parang, are we okay? Should we get tested? Baka meron kaming hindi magtaas na levels na
Yeah.
whatever. So parang medyo nag-worry kami for a while. Pero, and then it came also naturally that we
Okay.
had our baby. And another naturally, dumating yung baby. Kumbaga,
But it was already something that you were
Ready
trying for
for.
na talaga.
Yes,
Oh,
yeah.
okay, okay.
even from the beginning, parang okay kami with whatever because Paolo and I had been working and traveling for years together.
That's right.
So it was not like, never pa kami nakapag-travel. Lagi kami nagta-travel for game plan. That was our work.
Ang
So parang,
saya.
sobrang saya. So parang, ayos na rin if we had a child
Yeah.
now. So we had Leona, and then, this was so fun. So we just kept working. Kasi yun, yung usual nanay, ang
Akala ko, so we just kept making babies.
we just kept
Akala ko.
making babies. Like, ang laki sa UH, palaki lang ko ng palaki. Tapos, basta yung classic buntis,
Yes.
maga-ilong, really so unattractive.
Insert photo.
Oh my God, maghahanap pa. Baka nga
I'm
hindi na
sure
kayo
they have. It's probably on Google or something.
sa bagay. Or, meron naman.
Yeah,
meron
ate,
yan. May
for
mga
sure.
magazine naman. Ang laki-laki. Oh my gosh, so big. But in any case, I
Were
went
you fit then? Like, were you the Susie
Si
that you
Ana
wanted
din yung
to
naging
be?
fit after 3 pregnancies.
Correct. Correct.
Ah.
I'm sporty, I'm athletic. Kung ibig sabihin, kaya ko ma-pick up ng new sport right away, pero hindi din ako regularly nag-workout.
Yun.
Hindi.
Okay, it wasn't until after.
No.
I would
Yeah.
swim, pero I only actually started swimming regularly kasi nga nabuntis na ako. Parang weird, parang hindi siya prior. So, I was going to work pa rin every day. And then, 2 weeks before my due, sa unang hirit, 2 weeks before my due date, so people were like, okay ka pa pumasok? Sabi ko, actually okay. Kasi mga anak ko sa Capitol Med.
Correct.
Mas okay nga kasi mas malapit ako sa GMA.
Correct. Kasi sa bahay.
Oo, kasi bahay kami Parañaque. So after all, I was telling Paolo sa 2 weeks prior, sinasamahan niya na ako sa work.
Okay.
Okay.
Pero ako pa rin nagdadrive papunta. Kasi sabi ko, kabisado ko kung nasa ng mga pothole ng EDSA. Ako ang magdadrive. Pero yung pagpa-uwi siya na. Kasi nga,
Okay.
tas doon ko na-realize, inaantok pala ako. Kaya lang sobrang sanay ako mag-drive.
Yeah.
So matutulog na ako sa car. So one morning, sinabi sa kanya, inask siya ng UH, pwede ka bang mag-guest sa UH
Okay.
about a biking segment dyan sa BGC?
Mm.
So si PJ Manotok yung host namin, nandoon siya. Tapos sabi ni Pao, pero pag nag-guest ako sa UH, wala kang kasama papasok.
Okay.
Sabi ko pa, with all confidence, huwag ka mag-alala, hindi pa ako manganganak.
This is Leona, the
Leona.
panganay. Okay.
Oh
Huwag ka
my
mag-alala,
gosh,
hindi pa ako
classic.
manganganak. Sige, mag-UH ka. Eh di sabi nung nanay ko, hindi, papasama ko si Bernard, yung driver ko. Okay, sabi ko pa, it's fine. Walang mangyayari sa akin. Oh my God, that morning, nag-break yung water bag ko habang papunta na ako ng parking after unang hirit. As in, parang lalakad ako.
And the thing is, after your water breaks, you have an hour, pretty much like an hour or two to get to the hospital.
Really?
And
Yes,
malapit
Mars.
nga yung hospital ko, di ba?
Kapag nag-break yung water mo, because ibig sabihin you're already exposing the baby.
Yeah,
Magda-dry
oo,
labor ka na,
correct.
tama.
Yeah. But
And then,
kapag hindi nag-break yung water mo,
okay ka
you've
pa.
got
Carry ka
time.
pa.
Oo.
Yeah.
Pero kapag nag-break, it's like, okay.
Now's
Countdown
the
begins,
time.
I gotta get to the hospital.
Yes.
Okay.
Ito, edi ang lapit nga nung Capital Med,
Oo.
sakto. So, nandun nga si Kuya Bernard, yung driver. Nabi to si okay, Bernard, kalma pa ako. Dali mo na ako sa Capital Med, manganganak na ako. Oh, si driver. Ma'am.
Of all the days,
It's always the people.
Wow.
It's always the people around a person who's giving birth, who is about to give birth, na sobrang nagpapanik, pero hindi yung mga nganak.
Hindi. Siya yung parang kalma. So si Paolo, nung sinabi ko sa kanya, parang siya, I knew it. Parang mas naramdaman niya, mas kinabahan siya kaysa sa, magbibisikleta na ba ako papunta dyan? Yung hindi niya mag-figure out din.
Yeah.
It's like, may time pa to, uwi ka muna, magpalit ka muna ng kotse, maligo
And
ka
also
muna.
because this is your first pregnancy and
Yes.
first delivery. So,
Yes.
unlike in the movies, parang you think like after the water breaks, agad-agad
Nandyan na yung
yan.
bata.
Hindi totoo.
Oo. It can take a while.
Yes.
Pa.
So,
So, I'm
tama
sure
ka.
Paul was like, ano, papunta na ba ako
Aabot
dyan?
ako.
Oras ba ako?
Maabot ba ako? Kasi
Nakabisikleta ba si Kuya Papa sa'yo?
in fairness, na-convince ko naman siyang umuwi na muna at
Okay,
magkotse
okay,
para
okay.
pumunta. So tama ka na hindi naman agad-agad lalabas kasi kung 10 a.m. ako nakarating ng ospital, mga 10 p.m. pa ako nanganak.
Okay.
Thank
So,
you.
let's talk about our birth stories sa mga panganay natin. Kasi that's our first experience,
Totoo.
di ba?
At nahaba masyado kung lahat ng anak namin isi-share
Oo.
namin
So,
sa inyo.
dun muna tayo.
Yes.
Expectation. So, ate, gano'ng katagal ka nag-labor?
Yun, mga ganun. Siguro mga
12 hours?
12 hours.
Ah, okay.
And then, at what point ka nagkaroon ng epidural?
Whoa, I guess soon before the 10 p.m.
So, pasok naman.
pasok.
Kasi
pasok,
di ba may mga stories
marami
na
pa
parang
rin.
hindi
So,
umabot?
So, your
lahat.
water break,
Okay.
walang contractions.
Wala pa. Wala.
Oh.
Nag-develop na lang siya unti-unti. Tapos nung una nagagawa ko pa, syempre nag-prepared childbirth classes
Of
kami.
course.
So may pagganyan-ganyan pa ako ng mga,
Yeah, alam mo, that's so
ng mga
helpful.
hits. So, totoo.
That's so helpful.
Totoo.
Yung iba kasi
Totoo.
feeling nila na parang, eme-eme lang yan. Or yung iba pinagtatawanan, pero napakalaking tulong niya.
na ganyan ka, I
Yes,
assume.
ate. Yung breathing,
Yeah.
yung tamang pag-push, yung timing, inaral ko siya. And it really helped me. So,
Totoo.
I'll share
And
that
this-
later.
Totoo,
And this
please.
is whether or not you plan for a CS.
Yes. Of
Oo.
course, kasi ang CS naman, Mars, is depende sa'yo.
Oo,
Kung gusto mo
oo.
talaga from the get-go na magpapa-CS ka. But originally, syempre gusto mo normal birth.
Yes.
Because not everyone is like that, Mars.
Yeah.
Yung mga
I know.
iba na parang
Gusto ko
yung
CS na,
sila,
ayoko
CS
na ma-stress.
Oo.
Ayoko na isipin yung labor, CS na ako.
Pero alam mo kung may option kayo, natutunan ko lang to, singit lang na tama ba ito sabi ko, mas magiging sakitin yung anak niyo pag CS. Hindi naman. Ibig sabihin,
okay,
hindi
tama
siya
yan,
dumaan sa
tama yan.
vaginal canal. So, hindi niya
Na
nakuha.
may mga bacteria na a-absorb siya na mag-strengthen ng immunity niya.
Doon
Tama
sa pagdaan niya, doon
That's
sa
medical,
vaginal
guys.
canal.
Research
Yes.
about it.
Yes. So, kung hindi naman siya emergency, baka gusto niyong pag-isipan na mag-normal birth.
Ako ate, Nathan was natural or normal birth. Yung dalawa ko ay CS. Kung meron akong choice, I would push for normal.
Mm-mm.
Recovery is so
Recovery-wise
tagal.
also.
6 months ang tagal bago ka makabalik. Ang hirap, Mars.
Yeah.
Ang hirap niya. Unlike kapag normal delivery, 2-3 days. Parang
Oo,
walang nangyari
labas.
sa'yo.
Oo. Yung
So,
prepared childbirth class, balikan ko lang na napaka-importante kasi bukod para sa prepare sa'yo, yung sa partner mo rin,
Yes.
sa husband mo, prepared din siya. Kasi kadalasan nga doon, syempre, ang nasistress, nahihimatay yung asawa di ba? Kasi siya yung nakakakita
Oo,
Ikaw
tsaka
naman
nung
isa lang
dugo,
POV mo
nakakakita at saka yung parang anong pwede kong maitulong.
Yes. Oo,
So it's
oo.
nice when you attend these classes because
Yes.
nagkakaroon sila ng idea of
Yeah.
how they can actually be helpful
Right.
in that situation. In
At saka
such
gusto
an
ko yung
important and eventful
Totoo.
situation.
Tama, Mars. At I think yun din yung gusto nating i-share na sana talaga yung mga pars natin dyan.
Mm-mm.
Kung manganganak yung mga misis nyo, samahan nyo.
Oo.
Kasi iba yung appreciation nyo sa kanila. Pag
Totoo.
nakita nyo
Yung
kung ano
paghihirap.
ang pinagdadaanan ng isang
Mm-mm,
nanay para lang
mm-mm.
maglabas ng
Mm-mm.
buhay sa mundong
Oo,
ito. It's
totoo.
like a different experience altogether.
Oo.
Iba yung care nyo. A lot of things
Yeah.
will shift in you kapag makikita nyo na, shucks,
Ang hirap pala.
not only sa wife mo, pati sa nanay mo.
Oo,
Yung appreciation
ganda.
mo na, ito pala pinagdaanan ng nanay ko.
nanay
Tapos
ko.
sinasagot-sagot ko lang,
Oo,
binabaliwala ko lang.
tama.
Kasi All these things, Mars, you will
Yeah.
only realize up until that moment
Yeah.
that you see na ito pala ang
Tama.
proseso ng panganganak.
Totoo.
And that's
I love
just
it.
bringing the child into
To the
the world.
world.
Hindi pa kasama yung pagpapa-breastfeed o mamay, pupunta din natin yan.
Pagpupuyat,
Pagpupuyat,
yes.
etc. I guess one of the things that I wanted to share with you guys, in case you didn't know, na natutunan ko sa prepared childbirth class, isa sa mga nakakatulong kapag ikaw ay magluluwal na ng bata,
Yes.
syempre yung pag-ire mong ganyan,
Correct.
is pag meron kang beanbag sa likod. Kasi pag nakahiga ka nga naman, wala kang buwelo, ang hirap mo ilabas yung bata. So, yung natutunan namin sa prepared childbirth class, may mga ospital na meron sila ng beanbag.
So, nakaupo ka?
Oo.
Parang ganito.
Dahil nakaganyan, ay baka lumabas yung bata. Andali, baka lumabas yung bata.
Yes,
May
yes.
tama, it makes sense. May buwelo ka nga naman, kesa yung nakahiga ka.
Yeah.
It's
Pag
true.
ganun mo, mas lalabas yung bata. It makes a world of a difference. I'm telling you. Kasi nung second baby ko, nung kay Jade, hirap na hirap ako. Sabi ko, hindi ko magets. Ba't hindi siya lumalabas? Sabi ko, nakalimutan ko yung beanbag. Pahiram po nung beanbag. Nung nagay na siya dito,
Yun
nagkabuelo na ako lumabas. So, yan yung isang tip na pwede ko i-share sa inyo na malaking maitutulong sa inyo when you're about to give.
Right.
And I will second that because for my last two deliveries that were natural,
Yes.
naturally your body will get into a position
Yes.
that will make it
Ikaw kasi
easier.
nakaupo ka, Mars.
Oo,
eh.
Mars, hindi ko rin maintindihan ano ba yung gusto kong pwesto.
Correct. Mag-isa mo siyang
Tapos,
mahahanap.
Oo, tapos yung they were telling me, I was like, no, I don't want to lie down. Put the bed up. I don't
yeah.
want to lie down. So yung kay Asher Mars, nakaupo ako.
Mm.
Kay Anya Mars, nakaluhod ako.
Nakita ko to. Oo.
And it's just
That's beautiful.
what, like, nobody told me what I was telling them
Yeah.
what I wanted to do.
Yes.
And it's
yes.
also good, since you're saying that, Marsa, you have to find a team,
Oo.
medical team,
Oo.
na susuportahan yung gusto mong panganganak.
Mm.
Kasi meron, Marsa, na i-discourage ka. Ay, hindi siya medically safe or something. So you really have to know firsthand kung ano yung paraan ng gusto mong
Yeah,
manganak.
yeah.
Meron kasing medical team na talagang built sila, or hindi naman, sorry, educated sila or expert sila to support a kind of birth that's
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
yun.
So yun, I guess that's it for my birth experience na kakaiba. And all of them, all my three girls had different experiences.
Experiences.
May isa bloody show. Si Nela, unti-unti na ako nag-leak, parang ganun. So kinailangan i-induce naman. So
Okay. Wow.
all the births are memorable and different talaga. Kahit na 3 anak, 5 anak, 3 anak, iba-iba siya talaga. Ito naman si Nathan, you were a young mom.
I was 22, yes, Mars. I remember I gave birth in the States.
Was it easier because you were 22?
Oo nga, no? Pwede rin.
Diba?
Bata.
Alam mo, Mars, maaari. Maaari. I would say that. Kasi, ang bilis ko nang anak ni Nathan eh. Or siguro naka-mindset din ako nung time na yun eh. I remember I was in induced labor.
Okay.
Kasi
Oh, masakit
39
yun.
weeks na siya eh. Tapos sabi
Oh.
sa akin nung doctor, kapag, syempre English, kapag
You-
hindi ka pa
you learn
nanganak,
from me,
pag hindi ka pa nanganak,
You don't get birth.
you come here on this date and I will help you give birth. Sabi ko, how? We're gonna induce na the labor. Kasi nga, masyado na siyang malaki, eh maliit ako, di ba? So pumunta ako doon. Tapos pagdating ko doon, parang, ba't ka nandito? Sa isip ko, di ba sabi mo? Oo. So in short, chinek, and then when they checked it, yung amniotic fluid bumababa na.
Okay.
So it was just right.
So were you
Na-
leaking, Mars? Nang
No,
hindi mo
I didn't
napansin?
feel.
Okay.
Wala, Mars eh.
Mm-mm.
But that's just what they saw. So sabi na, okay, so we'll induce you. So inano ko, enema. Ang bongga nun, Mars. I love it. Kasi talagang
When
ang
they
linis.
clean
Oo.
you out. Oo.
Tapos wala ka nang kakainin,
You
ice
know
chips
what?
ka
I
na lang.
never experienced that here in the Philippines.
An enema? Nag-enema din yata
And
ako.
out of with all my pregnancies,
Really?
no.
Di, okay.
I never
Ako talaga
experienced-
ginanon ako, Mars.
Kaya
Ako
that's why I
rin.
was always scared na baka may kambal.
Yes, correct.
And it never happened.
Awa
Wow.
ng Diyos. Hindi naman nangyari.
Because naturally,
Kain ka pa naman ng kain.
because
Baka
naturally,
bagong kain ka nun nung nag-labor ka.
no, because naturally I would do my number 2 before giving birth, before going to the hospital. Parang, I guess it was a natural thing
Yeah,
that my
way
body
of-
would do
Ah,
that.
ang galing. Oh, you're
That's
able to.
cool.
Okay,
But
nice.
but yeah, I never experienced that they
Oh,
would
ako
have to
ginanon
do
ako.
it.
And then, Mars, hindi ako nakaramdam ng labor pains noon.
Okay.
Because so they induced it, 'di ba? So may nilagay munang medicine para mag-dilate,
Doon
para
sa swero.
lumambot.
Oo.
Hindi dito sa loob,
Oh, you
ate,
Ay,
sa
sa
cervix.
cervix. Yung normally
Tapos,
it's primrose evening oil.
I think,
ganon.
basta they put something there, may thread yun ate, para mag-dilate at lumambot yung cervix.
Oo.
Ngayon, pag nag-work na yon, okay, lumambot yung cervix mo, swero, pang-contract naman.
Okay.
Ganon siya.
Okay.
And then, so my next question is, syempre, takot na takot ako nang walang epidural, di
Did
ba?
you have, kasi, you know, like, for a lot of the first-time moms, yung they enter the delivery with a plan, with a birth plan.
Wala
Ito ang
akong ganun,
gusto ko.
Mars. Wala akong ganun.
Wala akong
At
ganyan.
22, wala akong
Oo,
ganun,
oo,
Mars.
oo.
Ang goal ko lang,
Mailabas tong batang to.
nang buhay ako at
Okay kami pareho, exactly.
So yun, nagko-contract, konting-konti na. I think I was 2 cm. And then around 3 a.m., they gave me epidural early on.
Maaga nga.
Maaga, Mars.
So,
Kasi ang
gumaga.
alam ko, hindi naman. Kasi ang alam ko, di ba dito sa atin, you have to wait a
6
certain
cm, parang mga ganyan.
bago bigyan.
Oo, oo,
Ako binigyan ako ng maaga. Kasi and lahat to silang nagsasabi, wala akong idea.
oo.
Sabi ko, okay. So they woke me up at like 4 a.m. I was about 2-3 cm, I guess. And then, I did that. And
No
then they
contractions.
inserted, no contractions, Mars.
Huh?
And then, naka-drip epidural, Mars.
Okay.
Dahan-dahan siyang pumapasok sa body ko. Ang galing talaga, ate. So I was in labor and I was sleeping. I slept through it. And then at 4 p.m.,
Wow.
I was like, parang may lalabas na something. Para akong number 2.
Oo, yeah, yung
Ng
feeling.
pakwan.
Ah!
Ganon. Para siyang malaking, para akong constipated.
Correct.
Ganon.
Oo.
Kasi ko parang hindi na to tama. So, I called kasi birthing suite siya.
Aha.
Doon kung saan ako so ready na ako.
So
May ilaw na doon.
ikaw ang pupuntahan.
Ako ang pupuntahan.
Ikaw ang pupuntahan.
Oo. And then, I started calling the nurse. And then I go, I think I'm ready to give birth. No, you're okay. You're not ready until la. No, I think it's coming out. So, pumunta siya. Pagbukan niya sa akin, ready na.
Sinalo na nga lang gano'n si Nathan eh. It's a boy.
May tumalsik lang na something. Pero pag open nila, inaiyak ko, nurse lang yung nandito, isa lang siya. I remember. And then, oh, you're ready. So, that's what I told you.
Is the problem.
Is this your body? Charot. Tapos may
Mga
kinabit siya
ate.
ng mga contraction things sa ko. Yung maganda doon, bago pa niya makita ng monitor na magko-contract yung tiyan ko, sinasabi ko na. And that's the important of lamas. Why you need to know that. Kasi, pag humilab yun, sasabayan mo siya
Ng
ng
iri.
push.
Oo.
And then yung push na tinuro sa akin, 3 beses. 10 seconds each. So may hinga ka. Hinga. Ire. Tas yung ire ko talagang constipated kasi ako buong buhay ko. So sanay akong umiri.
Oh my God.
So sabi ko,
Wala to sa
parang
akin.
Alam ko
number
to.
2 lang to. Ganun ang mindset. Tapos nakatingin ako sa relo. May relo dito sa harap ko 4 o'clock. Sabi ko, kailangan lumabas to agad or 4:15. Basta ganun yung oras. Ire. So, ire. Hanggang sa ready na. Nagka-crowning na.
Oo.
Sabi ng nurse, wait. I have to call the doctor. Wait. So, tinawag si Doc. Pagpasok ni Doc, literal parang
Oo.
kinot lang yun ng konti. Lumabas na si Nathan.
Oo.
Very fast. I pushed for 30 minutes. And then I was done. Tas
30 minutes?
30 minutes lang
Oh,
akong
30
nag-ire,
minutes.
Mars.
It sounds long though.
It does.
If you think about it.
Yeah,
Pero
no?
kasama yung
But
kasi
actually-
magko-contract siya and
But
also.
I've heard of other moms pushing
That's
for 2
longer.
hours.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
so it can get
Basta 4:15, nanganak ako 4:50.
Oo nga,
Yun.
tama.
Parang
oo
mga
nga.
ganun yung oras sa isa tanda ko.
Right.
So yun siya. Tapos I was like, pagkatapos, ganun lang pala mga
Kasi manhid ka pa eh, wala ka pa wala ka naman
wala manhid
nararamdaman
pa.
kasi
And then Mars, sa Amerika,
Really?
hapon tatayo ka na, maliligo ka na.
Oo nga,
Wait, Mars,
pinapaligo mo
that's
sila.
how you felt after mong manganak?
Ganun lang
Parang-
pala kadali.
Ganun lang pala yun? Really?
Yes, Mars.
Kasi naka-epidural eh.
Wala akong labor pains eh. Wala ako ng mga horror stories na naririnig ko from matay
Kasi
na
hindi
ako.
siya
Wala akong
labor
ganun,
day.
Mars.
And this is how you know that every delivery and pregnancy
Yeah.
is
It's
different. Because
different.
I had epidural, but my story is definitely not
O
like
go,
that.
which one to? Kay Primo ba
kay
to?
Primo.
Ayan,
Oo.
kay Primo.
That's why, Mars, when you say na, ganun lang palang manganak. Ako naman, ako yung, ganun pala manganak?
Ako naman parang, kaya ko pa to ng ilan.
Oo.
Ganun. Ako naman, Mars, sabi ko, parang gusto ko isang beses na lang ulit ng, parang
Ayaw
kailangan
na.
last time na lang, maybe just for one more kid.
Yeah.
And look at you
nakakadala.
now, Look at
Kasi nakakadala.
Walang kadala-dala,
In fairness to you, Mars, challenge mong self mo.
Yun yung maganda sa short-term memory.
Tama din.
So how challenging was the birth
Oo.
of Primo?
Well, Mars, of course, because, I'm fit, right? And there's that expectation it's supposed to be so easy for me.
I think
It
that's the
wasn't.
assumption.
That was the assumption. That was,
Yeah.
I guess that was also the pressure that I felt.
Yeah.
But outside looking in, like people around me were saying that yes, I delivered fast. Yes, it was easy. But me in that moment, nothing about it felt easy.
Okay.
Nothing about it.
What was your plan? Is it going to be a natural birth?
I wanted to go for a natural birth.
Ang
Okay.
natural iba sa normal. Ang natural walang drugs.
Yes.
Walang epidural, walang
Nothing.
twilight, walang...
Oo,
May
wala
twilight
talaga.
pa ba?
Walang
Hindi ko
twilight.
alam yung nanay
Walang
ko
laughing
naka-twilight.
gas. May laughing gas ba?
Twilight eh.
Oo.
Parang pang-pag-groggy lang siya.
Yan.
Para lang medyo...
Medyo pangengers kang gano'n. Oo.
Pero parang hindi ko alam kung epidural din ba yun considered.
Iba siya.
Hindi rin talaga.
Iba yung-
So,
Gas ba
walang
yun?
anesthesia yun?
Wala daw. Pero naka-drugs ka. Yun yung
Baka
intindihan
gas.
ko.
Oo.
So parang may good trip and bad trip ka din. Merong okay daw, tas merong iba mas nag-worsen.
Okay,
Yan lang yung
okay.
mga kwento sa akin.
Okay.
Pero yung epidural, yun yung typically
Spine tap.
nilalagay sa
Yeah,
spine.
spinal tap.
Oo.
Yeah. So, kay Primo, yun, may nararamdaman na, it was August 29, may nararamdaman ako, akala ko yun na yun. And if I'm not mistaken, I think I went to the doctor. Syempre, at this point, hindi ko na rin masyado naaalala mga Mars.
Sa dami nila.
I think I went to the hospital. And then, when they checked me, I was just like 2 cm. So they're like, oh, nothing. So,
Malayo pa.
went back home. So, I just labored na lang. At home, I could feel the contractions.
Because your home is so near the hospital.
It's very near.
Okay.
So I just went home. And also, you do not, parang I'm telling you, wait it out for as long as you can before heading to the hospital. Because when you get to the hospital, it just feels so much longer. It feels so much longer. Tapos maiinip ka, mapapagod ka lang. Tapos baka nga anticlimactic siya. Hindi na siya magiging exciting mga anak.
Okay.
Parang gusto ko matapos na to. Pwede bang ilabas yun na yung baby? Parang gano'n. I feel when it takes so long, that's how it feels. So butan lang, they sent me back home. Nag-meeting pa si Drew at si Javi sa bahay.
Okay.
I didn't give birth on the 29th.
Oh.
I didn't give birth on the 29th. But I could feel contractions, but not enough for me to get
Yes.
so
Yes,
uncomfortable.
Yeah.
And then on the 30th, again, that's when I started to feel something. Then I went to the hospital, and then when they checked me, I was just at like 4 cm. But it wasn't. I was just like, wow, 4 cm lang yun. Okay. And then it started to get a little bit more painful. But I got to 6 cm, and I was like, wow, 6 cm. This is how it feels.
Masakit na yun yung 6 cm.
Medyo
Masakit ng 6
masakit na
cm.
siya. And I was like, man, I still
Sakit
have 4 cm to go. And it took me this long to get to 6 cm.
Yeah.
How much longer is it going to get to 10 cm? How much longer ko titiisin tong sakit?
Yeah.
So tumitingin na ako kay Drew. Sabi ko, love, would you be disappointed if I get the epidural? Ang sabi ni Drew sa akin, love, I know you. Reset, di ba?
Nakakalok. Magpapatalo ka ba sa sarili? Magpapatalo ka ba sa pain? It's only pain. It's just weakness leaving the body.
Di ba? You could have meant it 2 ways.
Sure,
Yes,
of
yes.
course.
Parang, it's
Parang
like,
I know you, kung kaya mo, titiisin mo, pero pag di mo kaya, go ahead,
Yes.
take
You
it.
will make the right
See?
decision.
Exactly.
Or yung pangalawa na, alam ko, kaya mo to.
Yun.
Yun ang tinanggap mo.
yun yung tinanggap ko.
Correct. Alam mo, pagsisisihan mo to kung hindi mo siya i-push to the
correct.
Yun yung
end.
tinanggap ko, Marsa. I know you. So I was like, dang it. Kate, tiisin mo pa to, girl! But then eventually, Mars, it just got to a point where I was like, wag na tayo maglokohan. I was like, just give me the drugs.
Yeah.
Gave me the drugs. And then, basta it took a while, Mars. With Primo, it took 6 hours.
Mm-hmm.
And although that is already fast, it felt long for me. It felt long for me.
What was 6 hours from the time that
From the time I got to the
6
hospital.
cm? Okay.
Because
Mabilis
parang,
nga yun.
I think that's how they count it. Because
Ah.
for me, it's like, how do you count the number of
Right. Of
the-
labor
the-
hours,
the-
correct.
Is it when you start the first contraction?
Sure,
Or
yeah.
Is it when you get to
Oo
the
nga.
hospital? At what point is
Oo
the
nga.
start? And,
Oo.
di ba?
That's a good
Pag
question.
nag-labor ka na, Mars, pag nagsimula na yun.
Kasi may times na hindi mo alam labor na ba to o
Oo.
naghihila. Parang
Oo,
medyo
sa
weird.
bagay.
Yung iba pa
Oo.
false, parang
Or kapag
construct.
naramdaman mo na
false
ba,
labor.
depende sa threshold pa ng pain mo.
I
Oo,
don't know.
oo nga,
But
totoo.
they say it's like when you get to the hospital. So I don't know. So they say it was 6 hours, which they say is very fast. But
Oo.
for me, it was like, that
That's
didn't
long,
feel
yeah.
fast.
Yeah.
Tapos Mars, like I was pushing. Tapos yung mommy ko tumitingin. Tapos kinakabahan ng mommy ko. Kasi Mars, nung umiiri ako, give all ako pag umiri.
Yung face mo
As in,
talaga.
beast mode ako
Yeah.
umiri. And then my mom was asking the doctor, Doc, tama ba yung pag-irinig
Ah!
Oo, Mars. Nakakatawa.
Hi, tita!
Hi, Tita Ellen.
Baka sumabog yung mga ugat mo dito. Di ba?
Yeah, it took a while. And then just, Mars, kung ikaw nakatulog, hindi
For
ako
sure.
nakatulog.
Yeah.
And I could feel, even though I had the epidural, I could still feel so much discomfort.
Really?
Oo, I could feel it. Like, it got so uncomfortable. So, nung nanganak ako, man, namulat ako na parang,
This was
Wow.
not easy.
ganon pala yun.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking, if here I am, fit Iya and fit and strong Iya, having a hard time getting through that, I'm like, I wonder how this can get for other moms. And yet, I hear stories like yours, Mars, na, I was just sleeping, tapos ginising na lang ako para umire. It's like, iba-iba talaga tayo lahat.
Iba din yung parang technology or style na ginawa nila dun sa inyo. Si Paolo naman would tell me before na parang sabi ko, grabe, ang hirap pala nito. Of course, he appreciates and understands it. Tapos sabi niya lang sa akin, women have been giving birth for centuries.
Yes.
Ibig sabihin, you guys have been doing it all this time.
Yeah.
So, kay nasan ka, nasa probinsya ka, kahit nasa bayan ka, nasa magandang ospital, nagagawa niyo siya talaga.
Tama.
It's pretty amazing. Sabi niya,
It is.
pero nagagawa niyo siya talaga. Sabi ko, shucks, oo nga, no? Di ba parang nagkaroon lang tayo ng mga modern conveniences and suddenly it's this and that. Ganun talaga mga anak.
Yes.
Palabas talagang ganun.
Oo.
Kaya lang nauso na mga anak ang babae na nakahiga sa panahon ng mga reyna at hari. Kasi parang hindi napapalitan yung bata. So nakapanood yung mga tao sa ibabaw, yung mga members of the royal family. Tapos kailangan nila makita na yung paglabas ng bata, hindi papalitan yan. It's the same kid, siya ang heir ng throne. That's the reason. I-check nyo na lang kung tama ito ang pinagsasabi ko. But it's, di ba?
Yes.
Pero ang totoong pagnganak ay talagang
Hindi talaga
yung ginawa mo, that's the way.
And I guess it's also because doctors want to be able to see.
Yes.
Oh,
You know
kasi
what's
doctor
happening.
style na tayo ngayon. Ito, I'm talking about provincia style. I'm
Naalala
talking
ko,
about...
Mars, nung nasa US ako, may mga consider ako na water birth. Kasi I'm in the US, so technically, maraming options dito,
Correct.
di ba? So nag-research ako, mga birthing facility, lalalala. And at the end of it, I'm like, who am I kidding? I mean, no. I'm gonna go to a hospital.
Yeah.
Tsaka syempre, ang dami kong fears nung time na yun. Kasi nung time na yun, ate, parang not a lot of people were doing it. So I didn't wanna like risk it. Masisi pa ako. It was just me and my mom.
Yeah.
It was just me, my mom. Of course, Anthony was there. My tita.
Mm-mm.
So talagang small family lang talaga kami na nandoon. So parang I considered it. But
Yeah.
I feel like I wasn't brave enough
Yeah.
to actually do it. So yun.
Ito, sure shot. Ako naman, syempre, kinonsider ko rin na mag-natural birth. Pero dahil nag-prepare childbirth class nga kami, alam naman natin that plans can go
Yeah,
differently.
yeah,
Depends when you're there already.
Yeah.
So,
And you just got to be ready for it.
absolutely.
Because I know a lot of moms that get depressed after because they didn't get the delivery that they wanted.
Hindi, bakit? Basta ang
You just
mahalaga,
gotta
pinanganak mo yan.
You just gotta be ready for whatever happens on that day.
Absolutely. And I'm glad that we have those options. Kunwari, gusto mo natural birth, hindi ko nagawa kasi ang sakit.
Yes.
So, sige, epidural. Kung kunwari, nagkaroon ng emergency, bigla kang
CS.
ma-CS ka. Kailangan bukas yung loob mo doon. Ang purpose lang talaga natin is hopefully, katulad sabi mo, na sana buhay ako, buhay yung anak ko.
Exactly.
Pareho kami nakalabas, success. At sa successful
However
delivery.
way it is.
Basta
Totoo.
sumakses
Diba?
tayo sa panganganak. Can I make kwento that with Leon, he actually pooped inside.
Yan yung iniiwasan.
Yes.
So, doon kami
Oo.
medyo natakot.
That's
so,
scary.
Kasi may itim nang lumabas and it was already his poop. So I was like, Doc, do you have to open me up? Sabi niya, you still have, I don't know if she said something like,
May
you still
time
have
pa,
30
may
minutes,
time pa.
Iya. So, Mars, nung kailangan ko lang umiri, talagang iniri ko na talaga siya because I was like, we gotta get this baby out of here. Oo, buti na lang he didn't ingest any of it.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
But yeah, but like these are
Very
fears that,
delikado.
that
Usually, pag overstaying na yung baby, kasi malaki na sila masyado, nagsa-start na sila mag-poop.
or kapag na-stress na yung
Na-stress
baby.
yung bata.
It's so many things can happen, which is why I feel like delivery is like the most underrated thing.
Oo.
Right.
And I think mama's gotta get more credit for it.
And ako yung mga isang natutunan ko dito, ito yung isang bagay na talagang wala kang control. As much as you want to control a lot of things, pagdating sa panganganak, ito yung isang bagay na talagang isusurrender mo na lang.
No matter how much you
No
try to
matter how
prepare
much
for it.
Yes.
Yung awareness and knowledge, that relaxes you a little bit. Kasi
Yes.
you know your options. Hindi ka masyadong ligaw na ligaw.
Right.
Pero at the same time, yan, yung pananalig mo na lang sana, katulad, yung doktor mo, sakto lang yung dating niya.
Yes.
Ang doktor ko din, at nung kay Jade, kinailangan ko i-close yung legs ko kasi palabas na rin siya.
Yes.
Nagpa-park. Yung
Close mo na yan, wag mo man.
wag mo na. Yan yung
Oo,
sinasabi mo
oo.
na hindi mo
Na hindi
makokontrol
na,
lahat.
alam mong si Lord na yung gumawa para sa'yo. The right timing, the people na ganito. Yun yung pinakamalaking takeaway ko sa panganganak.
Yeah, totoo.
You can equip yourself, you're correct,
Sure.
ate, but at the end of the day, what will happen will happen.
Totoo.
Diba? At
totoo.
yun yung dapat mong paghandaan bilang nanay.
I love this! Sobra. At ito,
Ay,
syempre, dahil baka sobra-sobrang oras na yung gugulin
Yes.
natin dito. Kasi umpisa pa lang to ng ating pagiging mothers.
Yes.
Pwede naman natin gawa ng part 2, ng part 3.
Definitely.
how we are
I want to
raising-
talk about postpartum next.
Yan,
Because
ganda
that's
rin
an
yan.
entirely different
Absolutely.
season.
Absolutely.
Postpartum. I want to hear that story. But for now,
Breastfeeding stories, yung mga
Yes.
marami pang iba. Kaya ito umpisa pa lang ng aming pag-share sa inyo ng aming motherhood journey. Thank you so much dun sa mga nag-suggest ng topic na to. Pwede pa talaga natin himayin to ng husto. But as mothers nga, lalo na mothers of the new generation, I think back in the day, they didn't give themselves that opportunity to also take care of themselves.
Yes.
You might have felt selfish if you are our lola or our mom. It might have felt selfish for you to take care of yourself kasi ang dami niyong ginagawa. Pero this new generation is a bit more aware
that's
na
true.
how can we provide for our children if our tank is empty.
Yes. At
Oo.
kaya kami nandito.
Mm-mm.
'Di ba? You cannot pour from an empty cup.
Yan.
Sabi nga nila.
Yun.
And just a few of those things in filling that cup is, finding your mom group,
Yeah.
Yes.
where you can talk to each other, lift each other up,
Yeah.
speak life into each other, support each other, finding something that makes you happy, some kind of movement,
Yeah.
having that little guilty pleasure.
Yes!
Diba? That cup of coffee or that slice of bread. And having moments like this where you can pamper yourself.
Yan,
Totoo,
tama.
Mars.
Because sa totoo lang mga nanay, deserve.
Totoo yan.
Super
Not
deserve.
And yung mom guilt, totoo siya.
Mm-mm.
Pero alam mo, kapag nararamdaman ko siya, ang iniisip ko, okay lang yan, ilang oras ka lang namang mawawala.
Oo.
Kasi minsan may ganyan ako, Mars, sa derma. Diyan ang pinakamasarap ng tulog ko, Mars.
Oh.
Yung pag ginanong-ganon oo, tas nap lang, pero buo. Tas yung paggising mo yung, shucks, anong oras na?
Oh.
Di ba? Anong oras na?
Nasaan ako? Sino kayo?
Ganyan. Yung, gano'n katagal na ako nawawala. May panic, Mars eh. Tas yung pag-check mo,
Okay pa. Okay.
Isang oras pa lang yun.
pero meron at
Oh.
meron talaga. And I feel like it's a constant reminder to myself na, Camille, okay lang. Relax ka lang. Isang araw lang to sa isang buwan.
Correct.
Hindi
Correct,
naman to
correct.
palagi.
Yes.
So, enjoyin mo na siya.
Oo.
Mabalik ako ng tulog, Mars.
Wow.
Sleep again.
Pero
Ganon.
Pero Mars, minsan it's not even the mom that puts the guilt on her. Minsan it's the people around her.
Mm-mm.
Ang sakit
Diba? Na
nun.
parang that make them feel that parang sarili mo na naman yung iniisip mo.
Grabe no.
I'm glad to hear.
Paano yun?
I'm glad to feel though, the feeling ko less and less na yan ngayon as women, I hope feel a little more empowered.
Sana.
Parang
Sana,
ganon.
Mars.
Sana less and less na. Kasi katulad ng dati, mas concerned tayo sa mga sinasabi ng kapitbahay.
Yeah.
Ng mother-in-law na.
Or
Correct.
kung hindi sasabihin ko anong iisipin.
Yan.
Oo.
Pero I think a little bit more na parang we're coming into ourselves na parang, teka, bakit ba mas mahalaga yung sinasabi nila?
Kaysa sa
gusto.
nararamdaman ko.
Correct. Exactly.
Yeah.
Kaya hopefully mahanap ng mga nanay dyan yung opportunity because you deserve it. I swear that you do. Sa lahat ng ginagawa ninyo para sa pamilya ninyo, sa asawa, sa mga anak, sa bahay, sa pagtatrabaho kasi working moms na din. Mano ba naman yung paminsan-minsan alagaan nyo yung sarili nyo?
Totoo.
Katulad ng gagawin namin today. Dito sa Shine Spa sa Sheraton. Ready na ba tayo, ladies?
Ready
So
na.
ready.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Tanggalin ng mga orasan, relo,
Ay,
gadgets
tama.
sa katawan.
Yes.
Okay, para walang magpaalala sa atin ng mga bagay-bagay. Sandali lang to, mga
Oo.
Mars.
At after naman ito, babalik din naman tayo sa reality natin.
Tama.
Oo.
Yes.
But this moment is for us to enjoy as opposed to Mother's Day.
Ay, tama.
Happy Mother's Day.
To honor the moms.
Yes.
And to honor also the people that help the moms become moms.
Oh, that's so wonderful.
You know,
love
like the villages that we had,
Tama.
the communities and the village at home that help us be the moms that we
Yes.
are.
Totoo.
At yung mga
Ates at
kasama,
home.
asawa natin, na
Yes.
sila yung
Support
nagbabantay
us.
sa mga anak natin. Kaya rin kami nandito ngayon.
Correct.
Diba?
Thank you sa inyong lahat for making, kumbaga, it takes a village to raise a
Yes.
child.
Hindi na talaga natin siya kaya, hindi kaya ng nanay lang.
Yes.
Kaya wag mo ding piliting kayanin yun kasi hindi talaga siya posible. I love it. Let's go.
I love it, guys.
We're ready.
Pupunta muna kami, magpapamasahe
Ito,
muna
daw
kami.
na muna daw mga...
Ay, tama!
For the okay, yan.
Oo,
muna
let's go.
tayo.
Foots pa muna kami.
Yes! Dahil kami ang inyong mga...
Oh my God.
Mag-isa lang saan siya pumunta?